RB and Ashton been working on this for months, and here's our install trailer, guys. Building out our new trailer on the inside. We got our new flooring down. We're putting in all our shelving so we can get all our pipe and tools in there for the installation trailer. Cubby holes for everything. I've got really good respirators here when we're doing kind of gnarly stuff under houses. Fire protection. You never know when a fire is going to start. We are in the Sierras. Gotta have fire protection, knee protection. Anytime that we're putting in a water line, we use wire tracer for water lines. Our roller for sod, hole pounder. We have all our irrigation too. We do have our irrigation team come and help on planting days, but if there's some minor thing that this crew needs and the irrigation team is at another job, it's right here on the trailer. This is our brick saw that we picked up a couple years ago. It's got a Honda motor on it. It's gas run. We don't need power from anybody's home. It cuts really thick wall brick and 2 5/8 paver stone. It's an amazing tool. What we do here for the install trailer is we color coordinate all of our tools for this trailer. Installs orange. Ashton built us a rack up on top to carry all of our screed pipes, all our screed rods, any of our PVC pipe. This is a 20-foot trailer, so all of our pipe fits in there at 20 foot. We don't have to cut anything. A lot easier to use a 20-foot stick than trying to piece a whole bunch of stuff together with couplers. Here we are. I'm really stoked. The trailer is done. It came out awesome, and thanks everybody. I hope you appreciate what we've done. If you have any questions about building out your landscape trailer and want to ask, hey man, hit me up, Tim, gratefulgardens.biz. I'll give you a shout out. If you got any type of questions, something, watch our YouTube channel. It explains almost everything that we do. And then we have a Facebook page and all of that good stuff. Check us out, gratefulgardens.biz, and there's just all kinds of good things going on for us. So thanks for staying tuned. Here's my install trailer. Really stoked. Have a great day, everybody.